स्वामी शरणवय्यप्पा हरिहरात्मज नमामि कलियुग प्रत्यक्ष दैवम महामहिमान्वित रूपम फॉलो द रूल्स गुरुमार्गम सदा गति accomplish diksha rightly to experience his grace. Hariharatmajam namami. Ayyappa Swami is very powerful yet easy upasana swarupam in Kali Yuga, perfectly systematized to bring discipline, order, unconditional love, devotion towards elders, traditional values, dana, dharma, vairagya, bhava, stapanam, and the health, wealth, and prosperity oriented Diksha Vidhanam. If you are surprisingly stopped from continuing your regular Diksha sadhana, if you are still facing several hurdles and problems in life, if your family and children are suffering, if you have fallen into financial problems, if you are sick and bedridden, you should realize the truth that you must not have followed the Diksha rules correctly, or you might have hurt someone unknowingly. Do not waste your time diagnosing the issue or brooding over the past. Just accept it and make a commitment afresh. Even if you are a senior Swami or a Guru Swami who had visited Shabarimala several times, there is no Guru Swami greater than Ayyappa himself. Start all over again. Consider yourself as a Kanni Swami who is visiting Ayyappa for the first time. Take up the Diksha reverently this time with utmost devotion and care. You might have travelled in groups where you had to react to some cranky devotee. You might have picked up an argument with some angry Swami who has no power of blessing but expertised in talking negative and curing easily. Follow the 10 rules given below religiously and accomplish the Diksha and Darshan. Hariharatmajam namami. Follow the 10 rules given below religiously and accomplish the Diksha and Darshan. Fix a good muhurtam for Mala Dharana, the formal initiation into Ayyappa Diksha. Arrange an Ayyappa photo to place in the altar or puja mandir. Clean your house with a drop of cow urine and little of the cow dung mixed in water. Choose a fresh pair of Diksha clothes for this pilgrimage, preferably black. Explain the rules of Diksha to your family members, requesting them to remain calm and cause no disturbance to the Diksha. Make a strong promise to yourself that you don't express your anger and spill harsh words that hurt others. Ayyappa could be in any form around you to test your integrity. Go to a senior Guru Swami or a temple priest to perform puja and auspicious Mala Dharana. Take care the Mala is strong and intact. For safety's sake, have a second Todu Mala as well. Take the blessings of Guru Swami and other seniors. Avoid haircut, shave and makeovers with an intention to impress others. Be humble and avoid talkativeness, sarcasm and harsh language. Avoid arguments and clashes with anyone and everyone. Every female character should be given a motherly attention. Do not criticize, belittle other Swamis and interfere into their Diksha practice. It is their Guru who guided them and he will face the consequences of misguiding them, if any. Do not resort to eating more than 2 times unless advised by a doctor. In fact, Eka Bhuktam is the rule, 1 time food and 1 time alpaharam, light eating. Feel honored to invite any Diksha Swami to join you at the dining table. Taking 2 times cold water bath, morning and evening, lighting a lamp before Ayyappa photograph, chanting the all-powerful Sharanu Ghosha, the mantra for the deity, followed by Lokaviram slokas, offering fruits or dry fruits as Nivedan, then giving the camphor Aarti to Ayyappa, or mandatory as guided by your Guru Swami. Do not sleep on your regular bed. Sleep upon a fresh new bed exclusively dedicated for Diksha. Do not crave for comforts and luxuries. Adjust to the situations which is part of Diksha. Always avoid shortcuts and short Dikshas. 6 weeks, 48 days or 41 days as advised by your Guru Swami must be followed. If you choose shorter Diksha time, avoid using the Ashtadasha Sopanam 18 steps divine entry. Don't be liberal to yourself. Follow rules strictly and experience the luck. It is none of your business to find faults with other Swamis and Guru Swamis. Each one gets according to their Diksha. Criticizing others too is breaking the sanctity of the Diksha. Arrogance, ego, pride and sarcastic talks can spell and spoil the integrity of your Diksha. Avoid giving unasked advices. Choose a disciplined group of pilgrims to travel to Shabarimala, or prefer to go all alone if you have crossed 5 times of Diksha in life. It is always safe to choose pilgrims who have adhered to the complete Diksha. Civilians can mess up your pure mindset if you travel along with them. You are still in Diksha mode until you have reached home. Do not relax or fall for fun and entertainment till the last. Follow the Guru Swami blindly. He suffers if he misguides. Swami Sharanavayya. Hariharatmajam Namami. Chant the Hariharatmajam Namami sloka 3 times a day and chant the Japasiddhi mantra 108 times to attain concentration and inner peace. Sharanartha Poshaka Bhakta Rakshakam Chinmudrahasa Abhayaswarupam Vishwamohana Dharma Shastaram Hariharatmaja Paramapurusham Namami Shabarigiri Shikharagravasam Sada Smarami Kantagiri Jyotiswarupam Viditam Karomi Narajanma Jivana Marmam Sugamam Karomi Ayyappa Diksha Sadhanam Viradhiviram Lokaviram Janardhana Sutam Kalidosha Vinashanam Shokaharam Shambhukumaram Ganapati Sharavana Sodaram Karunamayam Pahimam Paratparam Rakshamam Dayanidhim. Mahamahimanvita Ayyappa Japasiddhi mantra, chanted 108 times to attain concentration and inner peace. Om Hrim Paraya Gotre Hariharatmaja Mahashasti Namaha. 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 Om Hrim Paraya Gotre हरिहरात्मज महाशास्ते नमः। ॐ ह्रीं पराय गोत्रे 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 हरिहरात्मज महाशास्ते नमः। ओम 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 ह्रीं गोत्रे हरिहरात्मज महाशास्ते नमः। ओम ह्रीं पराय 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 गोत्रे हरिहरात्मज महाशास्ते नमः। ओम ह्रीं महाशास्ते नमः। ॐ ह्रीं पराय गोत्रे हरिहरात्मज 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 महाशास्ते